Hello everyone and welcome to this presentation on task performance. Today we are going to explore the concept of task performance in depth. We'll talk about what it means, why it's important, the factor that influence it, and how organization can enhance it. Task performance is a fundamental aspect of organizational success. When we understand and improve it, we help create a work environment that drives productivity, foster collaboration, and achieve strategic goals. My name is Laila Melian Rinawardani, and I'll be guiding you through this concept. So let's dive in. Let's start by defining task performance. Task performance refer to specific action and behavioral individual use to complete their assigned tasks or meet their work goals. In other words, task performance is about how well someone performs their job responsibility. This includes everything from routine tasks to more complex problem solving and decision making activities. Think of task performance as the daily contribution each person made that keep an organization moving forward. Without effective task performance, achieving team goals or company objectives would be extremely challenging. So, whenever we are talking about task performance, we are really discussing the day-to-day action that make a business, a project, or a team successful. Now, let's talk about why task performance is so important. Effective task performance is essential for any organization that want to achieve its objective. When individuals perform their task well, the organization benefit in several ways. First one is higher productivity. Tasks get done faster and more efficiently, which means more work is completed in less time. Second one is increased efficiency. With high task performance, resources like time, energy, and material are used more effectively and reducing waste. The one is achievement of goals. When everyone perform their task well, the entire team moves closer to achieving the company's strategic goals. Essentially, task performance is at the heart of what makes an organization successful. Without it, companies wouldn't be able to meet their goals, satisfy customers, or stay competitive in the market. Now, let's look at some of the factors that influence task performance. Task performance is not something that just happens on its own. It's affected by a wide range of elements, which we can group into three main categories: individual factors, team factors, and organizational factors. Individual factors, this include a person's skill, knowledge, motivation, and personality. For instance, someone with strong skill in communication will likely perform better in tasks that require teamwork. Similarly, a motivated person is more likely to put in the effort needed to complete tasks well. And then teamwork factors. How well a team works together can greatly influence individual task performance. Team dynamics, communication, and support are all key factors. A team that communicates openly and works collaboratively will likely have higher overall performance. And organizational factors, these are the larger environmental factors, such as company, culture, leadership, resources, and policies. For example, a supportive work environment where employees have access to necessary tools and resources will encourage better performance. Understanding these factors help organizations create conditions that support and improve task performance. To fully understand task performance, we can break it down into three main types. First one is task-related behavior. These are the actions that are directly related to completing a specific task or achieving a goal. This could include meeting a project deadline, producing high-quality work, or following specific procedures. These behaviors are essential for accomplishing the main responsibilities of a job. Second one is contextual performance. This is the behavior that support the broader work environment. Contextual performance isn't about the task itself, but rather about maintaining a positive, supportive workplace. Example include helping teammates, showing initiative, and being committed to the organization's success. These behaviors make the workplace more pleasant and productive. And then adaptive performance. This is the ability to adjust and respond effectively to new or changing situations. In today's fast-paced work environment, the ability to adapt to new technologies, processes, or challenges is crucial. An employee who can quickly learn a new system or handle unexpected problem display strong adaptive performance. Each of these types contributes to overall task performance and is important to success at work. Let's go into a bit more detail about each of the factors influencing task performance. The first one is individual factors. Key elements here include knowledge and skill, motivation, personality. Knowledge and skill, employees need the right skill and knowledge to complete their task effectively. And the motivation, is like a person, internal drive to achieve goal can be a huge influence on how well they perform. And then the personality is traits like consciousness, resilience, and adaptability can significantly impact past performance. And then the second factors is team factor. For instance, team dynamic and collaboration and support. The team dynamics is teams with good relationship, trust, and open communication will likely perform better. And the collaboration and support is team members who support each other help create a more productive environment. And then the next factor is organizational factors. This include leadership, where the good leaders provide guidance, support, and motivation, and resources, access to tools and equipment and information is necessary for effective task completion. And then workplace culture. A positive, supportive culture encourages employees to do their best. By understanding these influences, organization can take action to support better performance. Then there are several theoretical frameworks that help us understand task performance. Let's go over each one briefly. First one is cognitive theories. These theories focus on the mental processes involved in task performance, such as problem solving, decision making, and attention. Understanding how people think and process information can help us design tasks that are easier to complete effectively. The second one is motivational theories. This explore how different types of motivation influence performance. For example, setting challenging goals or providing rewards can encourage higher performance. Next, the personality theories. This look at how individual personality traits like conscientiousness or emotional stability affect performance. People with certain traits may be more reliable or adaptable in their work. And then the situational theories. These consider how environmental factors like team dynamics or organizational culture impact performance. For instance, a supportive environment can improve task performance, while a stressful one might hinder it. This framework gives us different perspectives and tools to understand and improve performance. And then, how do we actually measure task performance? There are several ways. First is objective measures, and then the second one is subjective measures, or we can use multidimensional measures. For the objective measures, there are measurable metrics like productivity rate or quality of output, which give a direct evaluation of task performance. And then for the subjective measures, this rely on feedback from supervisor, peers, or self-assessment. This type of measure consider aspect like teamwork, adaptability, and work quality. And then multidimensional measures, this combine both objective and subjective data, offering a more holistic view of performance. Using multiple types of measures allow organization to get a comprehensive understanding of task performance. And here are some strategies to improve task performance. First one is skill development, where providing training, coaching, and opportunities for learning helps employees improve their abilities. And then goal setting. Setting clear, challenging goals align employee effort with organizational objectives. And then the next strategy is feedback and coaching, where the constructive feedback allow employees to recognize areas for improvement, while coaching provides guidance. And then the next strategy is organizational support. In organizational support, ensuring employees have the right resources and a supportive culture foster high performance. By implementing these strategies, organization can create a more productive and engaged workforce. Task performance concept can be applied practically in organizations, such as talent management. By understanding task performance, companies can hire and develop the right talent. And then team performance. Performance model can improve team dynamics, communication, and collaboration. Then the next one is performance measurement. Organization can track and improve task performance with comprehensive measurement system. And then we also can application in organizational transformation. Task performance insight can drive changes that boost productivity and employee engagement. In conclusion, understanding task performance is vital for any organization aiming to achieve success. By focusing on factors that influence performance using frameworks and measuring results, leaders can support high performing teams. This leads to better productivity and a stronger organization. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you found this session valuable. See you in the next video. Thank you.